Hello guys, today we are back with another video. This is my second video, and remember, at 50 subscribers I'm going to do a face reveal. But anyways, today we're playing Free to Facility. I'm going to mute the game. Yeah, whatever. Oh god, not again. Okay. Wait, can I move the camera at all? Okay, that's good. Okay. Guys, where are you? The intermission, let's go. Okay, remember. Guys, look in chat. No teaming. What? Oh, no. Not now. After the vid. I'm doing vids every day. And guys, I changed it. I'm doing vids as every day as possible. Yeah, every day as possible. Well, sorry. Sorry, maybe next time. Okay, guys, what are you? You're a survivor? Wait, my brother's the beast then. I'm hacking. Guys, I played this. Okay, viewers, I played this game before. Okay, you could shut up now. I played this game before, guys. I was testing if it was a good idea. Oh no, I just failed hacking. I'm about to be dead, guys. No, I'm not actually. Yeah, but I failed the computer. Wait, I hear in the background. Can you guys mute your game? Yeah, because I want the viewers to hear me. And you guys, that's probably why they barely heard you in the last video. I suck when I'm on camera because I get all nervous. Joe. No, Joe. Ah! Oh. The beast! No! No! Joe? No, we're all dead. We're all dead. Yeah, I know. Get out of here. No, Joe, I've been your sacrifice. No. What? Wait, since Joe is Mini-Toon, can you develop Piggy? Come save me, someone. Ah! Mateo, it's up to you. Oh, come on! Again? You've got to be serious. This is my brother playing. Okay, he's got to change his avatar. I hate that he's bunny. How dare he? Dude, Dude! Guys, I'm almost frozen. Guys, we suck at this game. Okay, we gotta get RTG Rival into this. We got it. Yeah, that's probably not gonna happen. two. Ah! I cannot get caught either, dude. No, he's after us! No! No! But no! I am screwed. Guys, follow the beast. Guys, he forgot to tie me. Nope, he's following. I'm developing Piggy. Don't do it to me. No! No! Right there! No! No! Joe, it's the end. I was right there. I'm stuck behind a wall. He's got me on. He forgot to put me on his rope, and he's about to put me on the rope. Oh! Yay! You gotta be serious. Yeah. No! Bye. Guys, we already recorded 7 minutes. Yeah, and 15 minutes is the max time we have, so we don't have that much time. Oh, no. No, because I'm too busy per day. Yeah, I don't... No! 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 Guys, it was nice knowing you. Guys, I might stop the video once I'm dead, because an 8-minute video is kind of good. Oh, yep, I'm about to die. Yep. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll do it at 4... Okay, if you escape, I'm gonna end the video, and if you don't escape, I'm gonna end the video. I'm dead. I could pause the video, but I don't know if that ends the video. One time I paused it and ended it. Maybe it was a glitch. He's developing Piggy. Don't mess it up. And I got it. And I also got every skin in Piggy, finally. It only took... It only took 5 years. What? I honestly forget. I think I do. Wait, oh my god, are you about to do this? Okay, he's escaping. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video there. hope you guys enjoyed the video, but, anyways, no, I'm not going to be on tomorrow, because I got to go down to shore. Oh, well, bye, guys.